Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today with the Fort Worth Fabric Studios giveaway. So I want you to make a comment that you want this kit so that you can follow along with me and with Stephanie and with, I can't think of her name, oh my gosh, Kristen. Okay, Kristen. I had her name before it got on camera, but you know it went off. So anyway, I'm going to show you this fabric. First, make sure you say in your comment you want the kit, okay? You can say all other kinds of things. It doesn't make any difference, but you want the kit for this sew along, which is called As Luck Would Have It. Alrighty? So, along with that, before I show you the fabric, real quick, I was talking to my sister before I got online, and we had a debate about the last sew along, which was, So This Is Love was the quilt, and it had X's and O's, which represent hugs and kisses. My question to you, my subscribers, because y'all know the answer, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be some back and forth on this because there was already some back and forth between me and her. Which one is which? So are the X's the kisses? Or are the X's the hugs? Or are the circles the kisses? Or the circles the hugs? Okay, what do you think it is? I thought the circle was hugging somebody because you make your arms in a circle when you hug them. She said, no, it's the X's. I thought X is the spot for your kisser. So maybe I'm wrong. And I don't know why the X would be the hugs unless it's two sets of arms. That's it. That's all I can think of. So write that also in the comment if you would like. And then my daughter and I'm going to go ahead and leave this open up to the point of tomorrow when my daughter comes over. We'll shut it off. I'll write all the names down and we'll draw somebody. Okay, now I know that Stephanie already had her drawing, so she had a winner. So that leaves me and Kristen, unless she's had it. I have not watched any videos today, so I don't know. But let's take a look at the fabric right now so you have an idea of the colors and everything, okay? Alrighty, so here is the fabric. I'm going to guess that the white is the background because there's more of it. The black is probably the binding, which leaves all the rest as the colors. And this was a little extra perk that comes in with your fabric. It's just a little bitty bag, okay? So that's the fabric. And I want to say that the black, this is a bit of a grunge because of this here. I believe this is a grunge because of the lines there. I could be wrong. And this is a bit of the grunge. Alrighty, so it is going, I'm going to go ahead and show you the dates and everything, so you have an idea. Here's the dates. So it's going to start on the 14th, the 21st, the 28th, and the 7th, which tells you it is exactly 4 weeks long. Alrighty. And then Honeycomb is the long arm quilting service if you would like to use them. And they did the sample for this quilt. They do the sample for all the Fort Worth Fabric Studios quilt-alongs that we do. And that's their information. All right, again, if you get the kit, and there should still be some up there. I know they cut some kits out because they were getting low. And that's what you would get if you got the kit. All right, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.